Yo, what's up guys, I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get modded version of Call of Duty Mobile. This will basically give you unlimited COD points in the game which you can use to purchase anything, and don't worry, it's completely safe. I have a bunch of options right there such as God mode, unlimited COD points, Aimbot, ESP, Wallhack, free purchase and much more. The first thing you need to do is to grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using Android today. Once on your device, make sure you already have Call of Duty Mobile installed and fully updated. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Once that's done, the next step is open your favorite browser and follow my instruction. In the search bar, type like me Call of Duty and press install. After the installation is complete, the mod will be installed on your Android or iOS device. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.